Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Beecrafties, and today we are going to review Fevicryl Acrylic colors. So there are 10 shades and the price of the box is 200 rupees. So here we have is a simple landscape painting. You can start painting here, and we have a shade mixing guide, so this would be very useful. So the quantity of the color is 15 ml, and now we'll have a look on the shades. So the paper that I am using is Anupam's watercolor paper. So you don't require water or any other medium for mixing. It can be applied directly on the paper. Now we'll have a look on how the colors work on fabric. So I'll be painting some flowers on my t-shirt. Now we'll try the product on a glass bottle. So these colors can be directly applied on the glass without any medium. So the color do the great job in the first coat itself, but still there are some bubbles. Acrylic colors take some time to dry, so you need to apply 2 coats on glass bottles.